Start by selecting Utilities or pressing F6, then select Part Management. This will bring up the parts list where all parts in the parts directory will be listed. To edit a part, double-click it or select Edit under the Parts menu. This will bring up the Part Number Editor, which has three tabs: a General tab which holds descriptive information about the part, a Properties tab which holds part parameter and properties information, and an Advanced tab which holds more specific part information such as manufacturer and creation date. The Properties tab holds parameters and properties about the physical part itself. For example, this part has a gain of 1, but could be changed if testing parameters required it to. A new property may also be added by selecting New and then entering a name and a value for the new property. Adding a new property is only useful when that property has already been written into the test code, though, as the test code is what all the properties are referring to. Adding a desired property to this properties list does not create the property in the test code. Pressing Delete will delete a specific element, while Delete All will delete all properties for this part. Selecting Add All will add all properties found in the property directory to this part. Selecting Cancel will bring back the parts list. Creating a new part can be accomplished one of two ways. The first way is by selecting the Parts menu and then selecting New. This will bring up a prompt to number the part. This will bring up the part number editor that was seen earlier. Here the desired descriptive information can be entered into the General tab, and the Advanced tab will have already populated with information to identify the part with. The Properties tab will not have any preloaded properties, so unless there are specific properties required, it may be easier to load all properties in the property directory by selecting Add All and then deleting unneeded ones. Another way to create a new part is to duplicate a current part. This is especially useful if the new part has similar characteristics to the current part and would only need one or two property changes. This is also helpful for revisions so that a part's development can be tracked over time and older versions of it can still be tested. To duplicate a part, select the part, go to the Parts menu and select Duplicate. A prompt for a part number will appear as if creating a new part. After creating a new part name, the part number editor will come up. Unlike with a new part, the fields will already be filled out with the current part's information, including properties. This makes it easier to just change a value instead of setting up an entirely new part. For example, if the new part was identical to the current part except for the gain, that could be easily changed by selecting the gain property and then selecting Edit. The description of the part may also need to be changed to match the new properties. Selecting OK will save the new part.